The Garrett Superscanner V has become the most recognizable handheld metal detector in the world. Developed and manufactured in the USA, specifically for use at the Olympic Games, this compact and cost-effective metal detector offers outstanding performance, reliability, and extreme sensitivity, which allows the Superscanner V to detect even the smallest of metallic objects. Featuring automatic tuning, one-button operation, and audible and vibration modes with LED light alerts. It features a convenient lanyard and comfortable rubberized grip. This lightweight security metal detector is both effective and easy to use, making it perfect for a wide array of tasks including event security, airport security, and law enforcement, homeland security, and military applications. For bulk pricing inquiries on Garrett Metal Detectors, please request a quote. The Garrett Superscanner V Maximum Sensitivity Handheld Scanner, backed by Garrett quality and engineering expertise.